Okay, now this is it. This is Kyve site, and this is pools. So this pools is showing your the Moonbeam, Avalanche, Bitcoin, Solana, and Zilka. You can actually delegate in any of these uh, blockchains. They have their own validators, details, and funders. So if I want to validate um, in this blockchain, I have to click the validators, and that's if I want to become a validator of this blockchain. I have to choose the become validator, and boom, these are all the necessary details of it. So these are all the necessary details, and this is it. So the minimum for staking amount is 13,000 KYV. So that's if you want to become a validator. And delegation, this is for those who wants to delegate into a delegator. You understand? So you can become a delegator here for this particular delegator. So this is it. These are the requirements. And so if I should decide to put an amount which is 5 delegates, and as it, I can approve. So that's it. So that's how mostly everything works in these pools. And this network is actually showing the total supply and the treasury balance and the pool parameters and governance parameters. And the governance also is for the vote aspect. If you want to vote for a particular proposal, if you want to vote for them, maybe a particular proposal says that he wants to deposit for a particular blockchain, you can choose either yes or no. Just like this one was rejected, I think people actually choose no. And this I did this morning I voted yes, and this is it. You can vote yes and you can also vote no, or you can vote abstain. So that's it. And so actually this is a testnet, and you can actually just exploit. And this is a user. So this is just showing your details, everything about your assets and your recent transactions and your delegations. When every aspect of delegators you delegate is going to show under here. So that's it. And faucet. So if you want to claim for your faucet, you have to share on Twitter. You share on Twitter, and you tweet. Now that's it. Actually, it's because I've actually tweeted before. That's why I bring it down. When you tweet, then you copy it here and paste it here. Then you click claim your tokens. That's it. Now for the Discord, you just copy this. Click copy here and paste on your Discord. So you are actually claim for that also. And this one also, which is a claim every 24 hours. And this spin the wheel, which is actually for every 24 hours. And there's another one, the mission Cruella. This is actually showing every point that has been earned so far from the testnet, the unique users and the nodes running under it. And also the Cruella profile is actually your profile. Your profile, that is, now look at my own point engineering, showing 11. So that's the total points I have earned so far from my pools and all those stores I did. All the transaction I'm doing is actually my point engineering. And the leaderboard is actually showing the people that are participating in the highest points and blah blah blah. And we also have the task. So these are all the tasks you are meant to do, but it's actually not saying that you should do everything, but you can actually do the ones that can earn you higher points, just like the one I'm doing now, like create video tutorial which is actually 1500 points per video. So that's it. And the motherboard, yeah. So actually this is a team content. Um, if I think this is actually this with the reward so far. A if the if the what would I call it? If the community are meant to be rewarded. So actually these are some of the reward aspects. They can give them bronze, silver or gold. So and this is the block explorer of Cruella. So actually KYV actually stands for the short form, that is the governance token of Cruella. So Cruella is the actually the blockchain explorer, and the KYV is the governance token. So I think that's it. And so and the epicenter, I think that's all for now. Yeah. So